Nung pinakita sa akin yung video na yan na naghahabulan at muntik pa nga siyang madapa, natawa ako noon. And honestly, I view the scenery or the scenario, the scene, as pathetic. Pathetic yung itsura kasi nasaan na yung angas mo dati. Na challenge mo pa nga si former Senator Trillanes sa kanyang mga make my day. And then kung gusto mo, ikaw ang mapumosas sa akin. And that's exactly what Senator Trillanes did. Nagpakita siya dyan to fulfill the wishes of Senator Bato. So nakakatawa and at the same time nakakaawa din. Kasi dapat alam niya yan. And he took the risk of going there. Hindi ba umugong naman talaga na meron ng warrant of arrest? Although the news reports were conflicting. Pero sana, at alam niya yan na meron ng warrant of arrest. Kaya nga siya nagtago for what? 4 months? Or more than 4 months? Hindi siya nagpakita sa Senado, hindi para magtrabaho. Pero this time around, because of that, that's that one coup against the Senate leadership. So nagpakita siya for that purpose, that's political actually in nature, hindi para magtrabaho. So alam niya yan, the